Good morning, 9th standard. Let us understand lesson number 6, rocks. We know that our earth is very solid and it is made up of rocks and minerals. And rocks are defined as aggregate of minerals having no definite chemical composition, and rocks are mixture of various minerals in different proportions. They could be hard or soft. Whereas mineral is a natural occurring substance having definite chemical composition and physical properties. Now understand what is the difference between rocks and minerals. Rocks are aggregate of mineral elements and minerals are solid inorganic substances. A rock has no definite chemical composition. Minerals have definite chemical composition. Minerals are organized to form rocks and elements are organized to form compounds, which are further known as minerals. The three main types of rocks are igneous rocks, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks, and the four mineral groups are silicates, carbonates, sulfides and metallic minerals. Basalt, granite, sandstone, slate and quartz are important type of rocks. Iron, silicon, magnesium, nickel, cadmium, potassium and sodium are abundant minerals of the earth. Now understand what are the type of rocks. The first is igneous rock. Igneous rocks are further divided into two categories, extrusive and intrusive. Second type of rock is sedimentary. These are generally formed mechanically, can be formed chemically and can be formed organically. The last one is metamorphic rocks. Now understand what are the igneous rocks. Igneous comes from the Latin word ignis, which means fire, and these are the rocks which are solidified when the molten materia or the lava that is ejected out. Ejected होता है बाहर निकलना from the interior of the earth. Due to high temperature in the interior of the earth, the rocks are in molten state. इसका मतलब क्या है? When we are having certain volcanic eruption, कभी volcano कहीं फटता है तो वहाँ से interior से जो molten material निकलता है उसे हम magma कहते हैं. magma inside. magma बाहर आके जब ठंडा हो जाता है it becomes lava. Magma is ejected from the interior of the earth to the surface through the volcanic activity. और जब वो solid liquid state में change हो जाता है, that volcanic material is called as lava on the surface of the earth. So igneous rocks are formed through the deposition and solidification of volcanic material. And they are also called as first rocks. फर्स्ट रॉक्स होने की वजह से इसे प्राइमरी रॉक्स भी कहते हैं. जस्ट लुक केयरफुली दिस पिक्चर. यहाँ वोल्केनिक इरप्शन हो रही है. ये जो इनसाइड से मटेरियल निकल रहा है, दिस इज द मैग्मा. जब ये बाहर आएगा इट विल सॉलिडिफाई. ये कूल डाउन हो जाता है आउटसाइड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर. कूल होने के बाद इट विल टेक डिफरेंट शेप एंड दिस शेप जो है वो लावा बन जाती है. एंड दीज आर द प्राइमरी रॉक्स. दीज आर द igneous rocks. They don't have any layer. They do not contain any fossils. Even the water cannot percolate through them. Percolate होता है कि पानी भी इसको क्रॉस नहीं कर सकता है. इनकी लेयर्स इतनी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होती हैं. Now these are further divided into two parts, extrusive and intrusive. These are formed when the solidification of lava take place on the surface. एंड धीरे धीरे ये स्मॉल क्रिस्टल्स की शेप ले लेता है. सच टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम्पल इज बसाल्ट. दिस बसाल्ट एंड फाइन ग्रेन्ड क्रिस्टलाइन रॉक. द लावा इमर्जिंग ऑन द सर्फेस स्प्रेड ओवर द लार्ज एरिया. बहुत बड़े एरिया पे स्प्रेड होएगा. एंड सच फ्लो ऑफ लावा फॉर्म एक्सटेंसिव शील्ड. एक्सटेंसिव शील्ड मतलब बहुत बड़ी बड़ी लंबी लेयर्स बन जाएंगी. An example of shield made through the deposition of basaltic lava is the Deccan Trap region of peninsular India. Peninsular India, you can understand. This is the peninsular India. यहाँ से और यहाँ से जो है this is completely spread of lava. The black soil found in many parts of peninsular India has been formed after weathering of such rocks. This is the southern India. Intrusive igneous rocks. These are formed when the magma solidify below the surface of the earth. When magma cools below the surface of earth, the cooling process takes place slowly. Slow cooling allows time for large crystals to form. So intrusive igneous rock have visible crystals. These are the example of igneous rock: granite, rhyolite, basalt, gabbro, dacite, andesite. Dolerite is example of intrusive rock, and basalt is example of extrusive rocks. What are the characteristics of igneous rocks? These rocks are hard, massive and compact. These rocks are formed by cooling and hardening of earth material, and the size of rocks depends upon the rate of cooling of lava or magma. Igneous rocks do not have layers. These rocks are not easily weathered because there are no pores, so water cannot easily enter. Percolate, the specific term is percolate. Percolate का मतलब होता है कि पानी अंदर नहीं enter होता in the igneous rocks. Peninsular region of India is example of such rocks.